Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at converting points into a polyline. Say for example we have these points that are along a pipeline, for example, and we want to convert them. We want to convert these into a line. What we would normally do would go to our toolbox under data management and the features, and then points to line, and we would select the feature that we want to convert, the input feature. So in our case here it will be the selected tract, and it will ask us where we want to save these. So we're going to call these lines, point, and say we don't do anything on this, on the line field and the sort field, and just go ahead and say okay, and this is what we're going to get. The reason we got this line this way, it's because the tool assumes that these lines, these points, were created sequentially. So what it looked at, it went in and looked at the FID, which is what is automatically created, generated when these points were created. And if you look at these, if you look at the property of the line, you see that the very first point, the very first vertex of the line is the very first FID for the point. And it went sequentially. But this is not how the points were created. The points were created at different times. So to get the correct, the line the correct way, what you can do, you can add a field and number these points accordingly. So for example, what I did here, I went in and created this field right here and number them. So for example, if you could label these, so I created a field and number them, the points, the way I want the line to be created. And this field, in this case, I called it account ID. If we redo the process again, and this time we select the sort field, put ID, we select the sort field that we want to use. This is what we're going to get. We're going to get a line that somehow makes sense from the beginning to the end. And that's how you use the sort field to convert the points to a line.